Hey chickies, thanks so much for hanging out for a bit today. I'm going to be sharing with you a really quick tutorial on how to apply Kiss nails as well as these Kiss lashes found at Dollar General, or you can also visit your local Dollar General store. Share with you how I apply them as well as some tips and tricks. I want to say a huge thank you to Kiss Products and Dollar General for partnering with me for today's video, and a huge thank you to you guys, because without your support I would not be able to partner with brands such as Kiss Products and Dollar General. So thank you so much for your support. It truly means so much. Everything I'm going to mention, I'm going to link it down below in the description box. They can be found at your local Dollar General store or also at the Dollar General website. So without further ado, let's first kind of share with you the nails, because these are just absolutely gorgeous. So with Kiss nails, this is an excellent way of getting that salon quality look for a fraction of the cost. And each kit comes with 24 ready-to-wear nails. Now these are the ones that really caught my attention. However, the one I really wanted to try out today are these gorgeous pink ombre long length nails. They have these beautiful jewels that are iridescent. They just sparkle so beautifully. And we're also going to be using the Kiss brush on glue, which is also found at Dollar General. You want to start with clean nails that are free of any lotions and or oils, and make sure your cuticles are pushed back. Then we can start with our nail set. You first want to find the correct size nail to fit each finger. Now the nail should cover your natural nail completely. It shouldn't be too big or too small. If it is too large, you can always file down the sides to make it fit. And then once you find the correct one, you can lay it upside down on the table, just so that it's easier when we apply the glue. If you end up applying a larger nail to your natural nail, there's a tendency for it just to pop off. So you want to make sure that the nail that you choose from the set fits your nail as close as possible. And if the nail is too small, it also will just end up popping off. Now it's time for us to apply the Kiss brush on nail glue. For this step, you first want to take one of the nails, apply the brush on glue to the back of the nail, where we will be applying it to our natural nail, and then you want to apply some of that nail glue to your natural nail. This is just an extra step for an extra strong hold. Then you want to take the nail and apply it to your natural nail, and you want to press it on for about 60 seconds, making sure to press the center as well as both sides of the nail. And there you go. It was fast, simple, and easy, and you just want to keep repeating these steps for the next couple of nails as well as the other hand. And here are the completed nails. They are absolutely gorgeous. They are so dainty and feminine, and I just absolutely love how long they are. You can always file them down if you want them to be a bit shorter or to your liking, but they are gorgeous, and it was so easy. I hope you found that quick tutorial helpful, and now let's move on to the lashes. So these are a few of the lashes that are available at Dollar General. The ones I have here are very voluminous, very dramatic, but they also have more natural styles, and they also have the Kiss 3D lash adhesive. The style we're going to be using today, these are the Kiss Mink Effect Collection lashes in the style Lady. Now these look like they're nice and fluttery, very dramatic. I love a good dramatic lash. So it says add inevitable and weightless volume to any makeup look, and these are reusable for up to 10 times. And it also says it's lightweight and it has a knot-free lash band. The lash glue we're going to be using is the Kiss 3D Strip Lash Adhesive, new, stronger than original formula, formaldehyde-free, latex-free, and it's also waterproof, and this is in clear. Off camera, I already curled my lashes, applied my black liner, and I also applied a black eyeliner pencil to my tight line area, just so that there are no gaps and you won't be able to see any skin. So just a little tip. You want to gently peel off the lashes. One of the most important things is to bend the lash band so it's flexible. You want to take your mirror. I personally like to hold the mirror down lower, and you want to measure. Generally, I always have to cut a little bit off the ends because you don't want this end to be sticking out. So we have to cut off just a little bit on the edge, on the outer edge of the lash, never on the inner portion of the lash. Reposition it just to make sure everything is good. That is perfect. Now we're going to take our lash glue and you want to apply a thin coat to the band. You want to apply a little bit more to the inner portion of the band and then a little bit more to the outer portion, since that's where it can tend to lift throughout the day. Wait about 20 seconds just so that the glue is tacky. You never want to apply the lash glue when it's wet like this because it will just slip and slide. It will be a hot mess, trust me. So wait the 20 seconds and then we'll apply the lashes. Holding the lashes right on the outer corner at an angle. Holding my mirror down lower, and at first I kind of close my eyes a little bit. Don't ever want to go straight on. You want to go at an angle, so kind of like this. As close as possible to the lash line, right on the center. The outer corner. And then the inner corner. Then you just want to press it down for another couple of seconds just so that it really adheres. And I just kind of like to lift it up just a little bit. And there we go. We have our first set of lashes on. So let's move on to the other side. We're going to take the lash, wiggle it back and forth, measure it. So I'm sure you can see right here there's a portion that's just sticking out, and that's the part that we need to cut off on the outer edge of the lash. Just make sure that is perfect. So let's apply the lash glue a little bit more to the inner corner and also the outer corner. Wait those 20 seconds to let it get tacky. Your lashes should never feel like they're poking your inner eye corner, because if it is, you know your eyes are going to tear or water up throughout the day because it's going to feel irritated. So you want to make sure you reposition your lashes. So it's been 20 seconds. Now we can apply the lash right in the middle, on the outer corner, and then right on the inner corner. Hold it down just so that it really adheres. If you happen to have any like skipping like this, you could always go back with your liner just to touch it up. That's something I love to do. So I just applied a bit of eyeshadow and mascara to my bottom lash line just so that it balances out the rest of the eyes. However, these lashes, they are dry, they're ready, and they're set to go for the day. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick tutorial on how to apply Kiss lashes and nails. Make sure you click the link in the description box to check out Kiss nails and lashes at Dollar General or visit your local store. Thank you again so much to Kiss Products and Dollar General for partnering with me on today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out today and found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.